Hey YouTube, it's your boy Peter, and today we're doing it again. We're out here in Alvin, Texas, and we're getting loaded with Select Hill. That's one of my homies right there. We're getting paid $10.25 per yard. Good money. We're about to make that $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day. Look at it. 5 scoops and less bombanos. We're gonna bring this load over there to Marenton. Marenton is in Texas City. It's a chemical plant. Gulf Coast. They call it the Gulf Coast. Boom! You hear the sound that means money time. Gone. Just like that.